Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Laptop Explorer 11. Today we will be doing Python series day 5. Day 5 logical and or and not. So what is this logical and or and not? Logical and or and not are types of Boolean values. So while using this AND function, okay, here I am explaining you how to use this function. So while using the AND function, both there will be I'll show you later. Okay, so there will be two values given, and both values should be true. Otherwise, even if one of them is false, the output is also false. If both of them are true, output is true. But if one of them is false, output is false. While using OR function, either one of them should be true, and if both values are false, then the output is also false. But in this OR function, even if either one is true, even if one of them is true, then it will give the output true. Only if both of them are false, then it will give false output. And not function is used for saying the opposite, like example, not true and false, or true and not true. True or not true. So I'll show you how to use this. Yeah, so open your ideally or whichever ID you are using. Now if I type like true and not true, okay, true and false. So here I'm showing you how to use AND function. So when I give the first one was true, but since the second one was false, even the output is false. If I make both of them true, okay, if I give both values as true, now the output is true. If I give both values false, then same, the output is false. So you can see so if you give, even if you give one of them false, okay, even if one of the value is false, the output is false. Now I'll show you how to use OR function. All or Boolean values. So here if I type true or false, now it's saying true, but previously true and false. If I type true and false, the output is false. While using AND, the output is false even if I give one of the values as false. Here while using OR, if one of the values is true, then even the output is true. But while using OR, if I give false and false or false. Now if both are false, that's the only time while using OR you will get false output. Even if one of them is true, the output is also true, or even true or true. So you can see true. True is the output. Now for not function, okay, well, how to use the not function. So now how I'm saying true or true, but if I instead of saying true or true, okay, instead of saying that, what if I said true or not false? So not false and true are the same. True. So true and true output is also true. Not true and false. Now both of them are false. Not true is same as false, and the other one is also false. Now the output is also false. So right, yeah. So that's how you can use these or and uh, and not boolean values. And you can, like, if I make a variable logical and, no, sorry, equals to true. Logical and 2 equals to false. Now if I type lo logical and logical and 2, yeah, so if I type logical and logical and 2, so this variable and boolean value might be little confusing, so even now it works. But since one of them was true and the other was false, and we are using and over here, if I copy this and paste, but instead if I said or, now it's true. Now if I just copy this and paste here, if I type not false, so even here you can use the not function. And now if I type logical or, okay, if I type logical and logical and 2, now it's 2. So because I said not false, and not false and true are the same, so in that way, yeah, so that's how you use the logical and or and not. So that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe.